look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Classy Sassy Sitcher. My name is Krystal and this is my channel, obviously. I would like to preempt this by saying if you hear the fan to the left, that is because we have a fan on. This room often gets hot. If you hear tiny human noises, that is because my son is at home. It is Sunday when I am filming, not the day that this is going to go up, but the day that I'm filming. If you hear adult human noises, my boyfriend is here. And if you hear dog noises, that is because my dog is here, but she's sleeping right now, so I don't think you'll hear her. I do want to say I also live on a major thoroughfare, so you may hear police, fire, and ambulance. And ambulance especially because I do live between not one but two major hospitals in my area. And with that, let us get on into the purpose of this video. So I have here a unboxing for Diamond Art Club. It is the blue line, as you can see, so that means it's a square. This is a discontinued painting, so I will not be linking it because you can't buy it anymore. So with that being said, let's get on into it. Today we are unboxing Mandy Manzano's The Desert Princess. Can you see that? I'm not so sure. Mandy Manzano's The Desert Princess. So I did get this because I love the Disney princesses, and I had seen that a lot of them are going to be discontinued, so I'm getting them as I am able. Safety first, close your knife before doing anything else so you don't stab yourself or somebody else stabs you, or you fall on the floor and you cut yourself open. All those fun things. I do have nails on today. I did change them from the pretty purple to French nails with a little diamond on the accent nail. So there's that. Is this so blurry? That's a little blurry still. There we go. Just gonna put this behind here and deal with that a little bit later. Let's see if I can get into this box without breaking my nails. Oh, there we go. I was able to do it. I love that little crack that makes it a little less stiff. First of all, I will go through this before we get more into this box because it's right there on the top. So, I'm not going to go deep into this because we all know what these kits look like, but you have your nice pokey, and they are murdery tweezers for squares. I don't use them, so they'll go in my toolkit holder storage container when I get to this kit. I often can keep the kits in these boxes because it all fits pretty cohesively. You have your blue pen, which I don't use. Your blue smushy, again, I'm not going to use it because I have other pens. Extra baggies that I'm still pulling out, just in case you have extra diamonds left over, which you probably will if you know anything about Diamond Art Club, which I'm going to shamelessly self-promote right now. If you are watching this and it is your first time buying Diamond Art Club products, please use code Classy Sassy, and that will enable you to get 15% off your first order. And that does give me a small commission, but who doesn't like a discount? I am an affiliate with Diamond Art Club, so that is why I'm giving you that code. We have a boat, which I do use these. So, yeah. Then we have a nice skinny floor placer, which I also use and often replace out of my pens because they get divots in them when you use them a lot, and 2 heart wax packs. So that's what comes in these kits. I'm just gonna put this away now as nicely as I can. By the way, the nails that I'm using are just from Impress. They're press-on nails. They're not like gel or acrylic, so they're not held on very well. Because they've just got like a sticky glue type adhesive. It's not the same kind of adhesive that you would find on these things, but it's not very, very strong, so. And this one seems to be falling off the most, so that's why I keep pressing it back on. Now let's get to the painting now that we've seen the toolkit. Oh, she's a big one. Okay, I may not be able to show the whole, oh, there we go. I may not be able to show the whole painting in frame because she is long and she probably is not going to fit on my desk. But this is 55 colors with 2 AB drills. That's what she looks like. 55 colors, that's probably the most amount of colors that I have had so far in a painting from Diamond Art Club. So she's not going to be done anytime soon. I have other paintings I have to get to before her. It comes with this lovely sticker, and yeah, okay, this is not stuck down. That's interesting. Usually it comes stuck to the painting like that, but it's not, so that's interesting. Alright, let's get into the painting. Okay, this is a older canvas, so I'm assuming that the reason why the diamonds don't look the same as they normally do is because this is an older painting. Oh, she's pretty, and she's coming out of the lamp, which is pretty neat. I love the stained glass look. Okay, so I'm going to unravel her, show you a little bit about the canvas, and then we're gonna put her down because she is very long. So as you can see, we have the picture up here. We have a legend on the top and on the bottom here. She's very long. In this painting, 1 and 2 are the AB drills. So let me find the 1. Okay, so the 1 is right in here in her dress. As you can see, the symbols are very clear. I don't see any more number 1s in here. Oh, and okay, so there's number 1 in this. I don't know if you can see it. So these little spots here, and then number 2 is right next to it. Let's see if I can get you a little closer and clear. Okay, so number 1 and number 2 right there. A lot more number 2s here. So basically in her like hair piece and like the yellow surrounding it will have the AB drills. So I'm just gonna fold her in half for right now because there's no way I can show you the diamonds and her at the same time. This is a big boy. Usually they send 2 of these, so this is also how you know it's an older one, because they have the original white PAC bags instead of the gray ones. I'm going to put you a little closer so we can look at the diamonds together. And also, this bag is huge. Usually they would put them in 2 bags, but they did not. So this is definitely an older canvas. This is a lot of colors. 55 is the best. I wonder how many 310s are going to be in this painting. Because if it's anything like the Beast, there was like 5 in that one. How many strands are in here? Is what I'm wondering. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4 strands of diamonds. Oh, I see how they did that one. They just fold them over. Okay. So let's go with, looks like it has the most. I'm going to try to put them in a little bit of a conducive line by most to least. So we can do it that way. Okay. These have the most, so we'll do these ones first. I'm guessing these are the 310. Yep, these are the 310. So we have I'm sorry the light is not very good. Let me try and turn it. Let's see if we can get a little better. Okay, so we have 823. In 1, 2 packs of that. 336, which is like a dark blue color. 1 package of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 310s so far. That doesn't mean we're done, because as you know, there always could be more. The 310s look very, very nice on this. And this is a square painting, so there's that. Now we'll go with this one. We have 2 550s. Aren't they lovely? Love that purple. 915. 915. 3771. 601. Nice lovely red. 600. A little bit lighter shade of red. 154. We have 2 of these 154s. 208. 991. Here's my favorite. 3837. Lovely purple color. 602. 939. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 939 bags. 327. So we got some dark colors in here. 327. That's a nice purpley color. Nice purpley color there. That's bag number 2. Here we are on bag number 3. $993, nice seafoam green. 417, that's that camo green. 300. Oh, there we go. 300. 890. I'm sorry the light is crappy. It's a gray day today, so 470. That's that like pea green color. Canned peas. 780. Every time I think of 780, I think of my old area code in Alberta when I used to live in Edmonton. Is that weird? That's probably weird. Nice brown color. This nice blue. 519. 3778. 3811. That nice minty blue green color. 699. That's that like foresty Christmas tree green color. There we go. And we have 948, which is like a peachy. 912, which is a nice little cornflower blue color. 797, which is a purpley blue color. 603. 754. 933, which is like a purpley, royal purple color. 992. Such an awkward place to hold. 3845, which is like a brightest blue. 3846, which is like a tealy blue. 3844, which is like a darker tealy blue. So that's strand number 3. $128, first AB. Look at that pretty yellow color. And what AB means is Aurora Borealis. The kind of AB that Diamond Art Club uses is holographic, holographic. And other companies will use a pearlescent AB, which is more of a softer color, but the holographic one plays off the colors next to it to make them shine brighter as well. So it will reflect its iridescence onto other ones, making them look a lot brighter. So it kind of gives it that like rainbow holographic effect, as you can see. 129, and on DAC anything under 150 is a AB, which stands for Aurora Borealis. 3777, 718, 3853, 798, 720, 772, which is like that pukey yellow green color. 340. There's a lot of nice purples in this. 3854, 820, 334, which is like a lighter cornflower blue color. Lightest cornflower blue, I think is what it's called. 604, which is a pinky watermelon color. 3830. There we go, 3830. 356 783 937 3348. Another AB 131. This lovely orange color, so pretty. 782. Oh, there's 3 ABs in this. Okay, let's go look at the thing and see what the other AB is, because where it goes, because I didn't realize there was 3 ABs. 782, and the last AB is 136. Look at the shine on that. That lovely blue purple color. Okay, so let me put this back together if I can. We'll have to see. Okay, it looks like I might be able to. So let's just see if I can't put these back together in a conducive way. Let's just see if I can put these together in a conducive way. Looks like I might be able to. Sorry, I have a frog in my throat, apparently. Okay, come on, come on. Excellent. So I must have missed that AB. Where was it? 136. That's odd. So I missed it because it's actually at the end of on number 55. Usually they put them all up in numerical order, so that's why I missed it. Wow, this is a huge, big pile. Okay, come on. That doesn't want to stick together, so I'm just going to leave it like that because it does not want to stick. Seems like the sticky has gone off of it. So I did forget to tell, I do realize that I did forget to tell what size this is. It is a 42 by 125, which is bigger than the Beast actually, and that translates in American numbers to 16.5 inches by 49.2 inches. That is the drilling field, not the framing size. As I've explained before, the centimeters are for our Canadian friends or those who use the imperial system, and the inches is for those who use the metric system. So number 55 is a little triangular thing. So that's going to be in here in the purpley area right here. So any of the purpley areas looks like has ABs. So where is it? Right here as well. So any of these like smoky, wispy, purpley areas is going to have ABs in it as well, which I am fine with. I am here for that. Is there any up here? It doesn't look like it. Okay, well, I'm here for it wherever it is. It looks like they have a lot more ABs than what they're requiring in here for that one color, but that's okay. We will deal with that. No problem. And again, she is very lovely. She's a big girl. This painting is a big daddy. But I am here for those big daddy paintings, even though my Mad Kitty is wearing me out right now. Probably because it's around and it's taking me like forever to do it. Okay. Come on. So, with that being said, I'm going to roll this up and put it back in the box because I think it's going to be a struggle just based on how these diamonds are. So I'm not going to let you watch that. So I will see you in the next one, but before I let you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put any questions, comments, and concerns in the comment section below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. I am blurry here and I don't know why. Okay, and I will answer them to the best of my ability, but before I bid you adieu, I would like to say I hope you've had a great week so far, and I invite you to stay happy, healthy, and kind. And I'll see you guys later.